Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and blowers here again. So this is my free Scott's 15 horsepower Kohler engine riding mower that I got for free the other day. It was sitting in a barn. I power washed it and cleaned the carburetor, runs and stuff like that. Has a little bit of a carb leak, which I have to address later. But anyway, all four tires were off bead, and I managed to get 3 of them on bead, but this fourth tire is cracked so bad from sitting so long that I had it on bead, and I pumped up the tire, the air just came out of the leaks, you know? So I had to buy a tube. I just got this from eBay. I ordered it literally yesterday, and dude was in New Jersey. I'm in New York. So it came like in a day. Unbelievable. Anyway, so this is a 20 by 10 by 8 inch. So the rear wheels of riding mowers are usually 8 inches. Depending on the tire, there's 18s and 20s. This is a 20. You could just read it on the side of your tire. Anyway, so that's the inner tube. And it cost $15, free shipping. And the shipping, man, worth every penny. So as you can see, this thing is off bead. And the only way to put it back on bead is with ratchet straps. You wrap it around there and tighten it, and you hope the sides move in, and then you put air in it. But I'm going to put a tube in there because obviously the air would just leak out of the crack. So this is how you put it on. First, you're going to jack it up, and then I'll show you how to do it. There it is. It was like 5 minutes. Solid. 15 bucks. I'm not putting any more foam in these tires, you know. It's worked great, you know. As long as the bead was nice and wide open like that, you could just stuff it in there. I mean, you know, it's rubber, so it catches onto the rim a little bit, and brand new rubber, it's difficult to push it in there, but as long as you keep pushing the tire and stuff it in as much as you can, make sure you get the valve stem sticking out the hole, right? You almost kind of like have to hold on to it as you're putting air in, because once you put in air, it may pull away from you and back inside, and then you're screwed. Because you can't even, because if you're filling up the air of the inner tube and the inner tube sucks the valve in, you'll never get it out. How are you going to get it out? It's filled with air, you know what I'm saying? You can't even push the tire in to get your finger in there to get the valve, you know? So you got to hold on to the valve nice and tight as you're slowly putting air in. You can't just push air in there instantly, because it will suck this valve out of your fingers and go back inside. And once it goes back inside, you're done. You'll never get it out again. But 15 bucks, fix this tire, looks good. And that was it. Fantastic. And that's how you put an inner tube into a lawn tractor. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and Blowers here. So I sold this John Deere STX 46 to a guy. He ended up living like 5 blocks away from my house. So he didn't have a trailer or a van or anything like that. He goes, how the hell am I going to get this from your house to my house? I said, well shoot, I'll just drive it. So it's probably going to take me about 20 minutes. So I'm just driving it. Most of the distance is on a baseball field. So very cool, you know. It's a nice day for our lawnmower drive. Anyway, so I'm selling this John Deere for 700 bucks. I got it for 65, remember? I changed the ignition, magneto, carburetor, battery, fuel lines, fuel filter, jet belt. So, you know, I put some money into it, you know. Runs great. I can't keep it because it's a 46-inch wide, and 46-inch wide is too wide for my gates to my backyard. It's a shame because I like the tractor a lot, you know. But $700, $700. Yeah, I'm nearly there. See you guys next time. Mowers and blows.